God. Are we filming? You filming? You rolling? Hey everybody, this is Gabriel with American Eagle Harley-Davidson. I got the new bike of the week. This week we got the 2025 Fat Boy in the two-tone Whiskey Fire and Black. This is powered by a Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine, all LED from head to toe. It's got a bit of a redesign. We've got 3 standard ride modes that come on this. You got road, rain, and sport. What else do you need? We need you on this seat. Come on down to American Eagle Harley-Davidson and holler at me, Gabriel.